We have the all-new K1600 Grand America. This is based on the K1600B bagger, which again is just arriving now. The bagger, when we launched, we communicated the fact that this has best-in-class performance. So we have a lot of similarities between the two models. 160 horsepower, 129 pound-feet of torque. The Grand America was designed for people who want style and long-distance touring capability. So the fact that this is the lightest bike in the segment with the biggest gas tank at 7 gallons provides very good long-distance touring capability. But now we have the top case. So what do you get with the Grand America that you don't get with the bagger? Some of the equipment you can get with the bagger as options, but on the Grand America, it comes as part of the Grand America. So reverse assist, the audio system, GPS prep, Bluetooth, satellite radio, floorboards with engine protection bars. These are options on the bagger, but they are standard on the Grand America. Also with the Grand America, you have some equipment that you can't get with the bagger. Notably the top case with integrated brake light. You have a taller windshield for longer distance touring, and you have a K1600 Grand America badge on the tank. The bagger is $19,995. The Grand America is $3,200 more, so $23,195. We expect to see this model arrive in the first quarter of 2018.